That's not yours. That's not yours.
Okay. The second second runner-up to receive 30,000 euros.
Okay. Yung asawa, oh, doon talaga nga.
30,000 euros goes to Bacolod! Okay, the first runner-up received 50,000 euro, and the winner will receive 100,000 euros.